Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very easy leather cord earrings. So let's get started. I'm going to use craft cord, which is an artificial suede, but you can use real leather. I got this at the dollar store, $1.25, and I got 5 skeins of this leather cord. For each earring, you're going to cut a piece that is approximately 8 inches long, and that is 20 centimeters. Thread a bead onto your cord, like that. Center the bead, and up here at the top, wind the cord around a pencil to form a loop, and then make this loop as long as you would like, and bring this end up and around like that. Now, using the two ends, tie a knot. Like that. Now, I placed a small puddle of Elmer's glue. Open the knot by pulling up on that section. Apply a bit of Elmer's glue and trim the ends. Add a jump ring.
You'll find links below for how to make jump rings and how to make ear wires.
And an ear wire. And that's how easy it is to make these leather earrings. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.